Hello, I'm Adrian Crawford. It's Williams Crawford, and it's definitely passion for Porsche here in Cornwall. And look at that up there, absolutely glorious. I'm looking forward to the weekend and getting one of my own Porsches out. But today I want to show you some new arrivals that have just come into the shop and really special. Come with me. Well, in the background there, you can see that 991T manual, done 1900 miles. That is gorgeous. There's this Boxster just turned up, 19,000 miles. Great early Boxster to put in your garage and enjoy without a load of money. 981 Boxsters, Macans, we're always looking for those cars and usually got some nice stock. Things like that 356 there, that one's sold, but we've got a couple more coming. Now this is a bit special, just arrived, 993 RS, right hand drive, authentic car, absolutely unbelievably rare. I think 39 of these built, thin glass. Drive it and you'll suddenly see what this is all about. This is for someone with deep pockets and a very fine taste. Aluminium door skins, just beautiful. Pleased to have that. So we got 993 2S in the middle there, which is sold. 964 Targa's just arrived. 992 C4S in black is lovely, and look at it beside that 996 turbo with the aero kit. It's really nice. Lovely GT3, and to the left of the GT3 is this 911 RSR. It's just beautifully built. The body quality, the technical quality is unbelievable on that car. That's something really special. Now this one I rather like because we've had this before, but a long time ago. Lovely colour combination for an 89 Cabrio. It's a low mileage car with air conditioning. It ticks all boxes. Beautiful. Never tire of these. Now let me show you some other things going on here. Pair of 993 convertibles. The one on the right, the silver one's very low mileage late car, and the one on the left has got a Gambala kit on it. Just down here, I think these are good value classic air-cooled 911s. This is a 2.7 coupe. I think it's a 76 car left-hand drive. Just coming past this 71 which we've sold in tangerine, and this other little 1970 I think it is, that's just been sold, going to be delivered soon. The lovely thing with Porsche is that you can modify and change things. Now from the Italian side we got this beautiful 355 F1, again a low mileage car, particularly like the inside. Look at that. Really nice. Obviously GTS, beautiful, full history, just serviced, to die for. And look what's behind it. Got a Lotus Esprit Turbo. When's the last time you've seen one of those on the road? It's really dramatic, quite a special car. Over here, two very early 356s. Now this red one was bought by a chap, he fancied doing the Mille Miglia with it. It's a 56 and really nice car. And this is an even earlier one. Look, it's got the bent, so-called bent windscreen. It's a 54, it's a survivor. It's been asleep in a barn for 42 years, whereas this particular one has been active over the last little while. It's had 30 years with the same owner, that car. This Prie is really sweet. It's perfect as it is. Look at the shut lines on it, because that car's not been apart. Beside it we got this beautiful little Jolly Club Lancia. Now that's a bit of fun. That's a car you could really enjoy some classic events with. It's not loads of money. It's a Series 2 from 1976, and it looks to me like this car has seen some good activity and created some memories. And that's what all these cars are for. If you're buying them, then get out and use them. Don't leave them sat in the garage just getting polished. Go out, travel, visit places, enjoy your driving. That's what we're selling. We're selling cars for the enjoyment of driving. Now, a lot of it is classic here at the moment. It's because we're really short of your Macans, Cayennes, 981s, 987s, 991s and 997s. We've sold very quickly. So if you're looking to sell, get in touch with us. That's a 67 911, sort of a survivor car. This is a 69, but first original paint, just unbelievably good, untouched, unrestored car with 29,000 miles, and beside it is a 73 right-hand drive with an original 58,000 miles and 3 owners. Where do you find that? Well, you don't. They just have to pop up, you know. And popping out of the woodwork from an older customer of mine, someone I dealt with years ago, he's just finished the restoration of this gorgeous 69 911S. Now, these are uber rare as a right-hand drive, and he's done a lovely job on the restoration. So it's an MFI car. It's original 60,090 miles. It's been asleep somewhere since 1978, and the last 4 years it's been getting restored, and a beautiful job's been done as well. Right money's been invested in the right places. So that's what you're looking at there is a 2-litre 911S engine with the MFI. Those cars were £4,300 new, about double the price of an E-Type, and more than the cost of the average house in 1969. So there we are. That's Williams Crawford. It's Passion for Porsche. We're always interested in helping sell Porsche. Give us a call if you see something you like.